Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Play It not playing your video files, or it's simply saying an error occurred. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store and search for Play It. At times when your application is not updated, it might also show you some minor errors. Go ahead and if you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Long tap onto your Play It, select the eye icon. You will get landed onto this app info page. Here you have to select storage. Clear the cache and likewise select permissions. Now in here, if your permission for photos and videos have allowed, you may go ahead, select don't allow, and then go back again and select allow. It's like resetting your permission. And once you do so, long tap onto your Play It and then see if this fixes your problem. And even after doing all that, if it's still not working, then you have to long tap onto your Play It, uninstall it, reinstall again from your Play Store, try the same process and it will work.